I became a surgeon because it's a very tangible way to make a difference in people's lives. There's nothing I love better than to see someone who is suffering not be in pain anymore, not be suffering because of something we can do to help. Surgery can be scary for people, so to put people at ease, we like to try to let them know everything to expect. We go through the entire process, what to expect when you arrive at the hospital, what sort of things will happen during your experience, what to expect with recovery. I think the unknown is the most frightening thing for people. I do breast surgery and I do general surgery, and I'm really excited about minimally invasive things that have come along in the past decade. Laparoscopic surgery has grown by leaps and bounds. We're doing bigger operations with smaller incisions, which is terrific for patient experience and recovery. Our robotics program is growing. There are more and more things we can do without making big incisions. And in breast cancer care, I'm really excited about some of the new genetic testing that we're doing on tumors. Really enables us to target specific treatments to patients individually. St. Elizabeth is a very special place to practice medicine. We have developed over the past several years a very integrated healthcare network. Most of our physicians work together collaboratively, share a single medical record, and are able to know what we're thinking, able to share information very easily. It's a great place to work because we can collaborate to make sure patients are getting the best care in the most timely fashion. When someone comes to me, I oftentimes can tell whether they're anxious or upset. I can listen to their history and understand what may be happening, sometimes without even getting any other information. And fortunately, with our electronic medical record, all of the recent laboratory tests, x-ray tests, and evaluations from other physicians are available to me. So by the time the patient hits the door, I kind of have an idea as to what's going on. The best part of my job is seeing a patient who is anxious and unsure and doesn't know what to expect, and turning that into a good experience for them. No surgery is entirely painless, but seeing patients go from being anxious and concerned to being healed and back to normal is just such a gratifying experience. If there's a case that is unusual, if there's a patient that has a difficult problem that we're having trouble fixing, then we have a resource to be able to get in touch with the best experts in the field that are available. We can do e-consults, which is send information electronically to the Mayo Clinic and get recommendations. We can also facilitate transfer of patients to the Mayo Clinic if that's necessary. I have been fortunate to have the opportunity to use e-consult on patients that had difficult problems that weren't things that we were used to managing here. It was great to have that opportunity to collaborate because our primary goal is to give patients the best, most innovative care we can. Surgery is an amazing field. It gives you the opportunity to make a difference in patients' lives, one patient at a time, in a very tangible, hands-on fashion. It's a way to fix things, and I like to fix problems. I like to make things better for people. When I see someone suffering, I naturally want to do something to make that suffering stop and make things better. So that's something that's always been very appealing to me, to be able to identify a problem and fix it.